Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. You are watching The Wealthy Brains and now let's get in this video. Originally created as a joke, Dogecoin was co-founded by IBM software engineer Billy Markus from Portland, Oregon, and Adobe software engineer Jackson Palmer, who set out to create a peer-to-peer digital currency that could reach a broader demographic than Bitcoin. In addition, they wanted to distance it from the controversial history of other coins. Dogecoin was officially launched on December 6th of 2013, and within the first 30 days, there were over 1 million visitors on the Dogecoin.com. At the time, Palmer was a member of the Adobe Systems Marketing Department in Sydney and is credited with making the idea a reality. Palmer had purchased the domain Dogecoin.com and added a splash screen, which featured the coin's logo and scattered Comic Sans text. Markus reached out to Palmer after seeing the site and started efforts to develop the currency. Markus had designed Dogecoin's protocol based on existing cryptocurrencies, Lucky Coin and Litecoin, which use script technology in their proof of work algorithm. The use of script means that miners cannot use SHA-256 Bitcoin mining equipment and instead must use dedicated FPGA and ASIC devices for mining. On December 19th of 2013, Dogecoin jumped nearly 300% in value in 72 hours, rising from $0.26 to $0.95, with a volume of billions of Dogecoins per day. This growth occurred during a time when Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies were reeling from China's decision to forbid Chinese banks from investing into the Bitcoin economy. 3 days later, Dogecoin experienced its first major crash by dropping by 80% due to its event and to large mining pools exploiting the small amount of computing power. On December 25th of 2013, the first major theft of Dogecoin occurred when millions of coins were stolen during a hack on the online cryptocurrency wallet platform Doge Wallet. The hacker gained access to the platform's file system and modified its send-receive page to send any and all coins to a static address. This hacking incident spiked tweets about Dogecoin, making it the most mentioned altcoin on Twitter at the time, although it was in reference to a negative context. To help those who lost funds on Doge Wallet after its breach, the Dogecoin community started an initiative named Save Dogemas. To help donate coins to those who had them stolen. In January of 2014, the trading volume of Dogecoin briefly surpassed that of Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies combined. Its market capitalization remained substantially behind that of Bitcoin. Initially, Dogecoin featured a randomized reward that is received for each mining block. However, in March 2014, this behavior was later updated to a static block reward. In April of 2015, Jackson Palmer announced that he is taking an extended leave of absence from the cryptocurrency community. During 2017 to early 2018, cryptocurrency bubble Dogecoin briefly reached a peak of 0.17 cents per coin on January 7, 2018, putting its total market capitalization near US dollars of $2 billion. In July of 2020, the price of Dogecoin spiked following a TikTok trend aiming to get the coin's price to $1. In January of 2021, Dogecoin went up to over 800% in 24 hours as a result of attention from Reddit users, partially encouraged by Elon Musk and the GameStop short squeeze. What can Dogecoin be used for? Dogecoin has been used primarily as a tipping system on Reddit and Twitter to reward the creation or sharing of quality content. You can get tipped Dogecoin by participating in a community that uses the digital currency. Or you can get your Dogecoin from a Dogecoin faucet. A Dogecoin faucet is a website that will give you a small amount of Dogecoin for free as an introduction to the currency. Exchange. Several online exchanges offer Doge BTC and Doge LTC trading. Dogecoin is an altcoin with many users. Mainstream commercial applications of the currency have gained traction on internet, such as a tipping system in which social media users tip others for providing interesting or noteworthy content. Trading physical tangible items in exchange for Doge takes place on online communities such as Reddit and Twitter, where users frequently share currency-related information. Dogecoin has also been used to try to sell a house and has been used in the pornography and poker industries. Doge Tipbot was a cryptocurrency transaction service used on popular sites such as Reddit and Twitch. It allowed users to send Dogecoin to other users through commands via Reddit comments. In May 2017, Doge Tipbot was discontinued and taken offline after its creator declared bankruptcy. Currency supply. Dogecoin started its initial coin production schedule with 100 billion coins in circulation. By mid-2015, the 100 billion Dogecoin had been mined, with an additional 5 billion coins put into circulation every year thereafter. There is currently no implemented hard cap on the total supply of Dogecoins. Initially, Dogecoin had a supply limit of 100 billion coins, which would already have been far more coins than the top digital currencies were allowing. Nonetheless, in February 2014, Dogecoin founder Jackson Palmer announced that the limit would be removed in an effort to create a consistent reduction of its inflation rate over time. Cryptocurrency Dogecoin surged more than 50% on Thursday after billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk tweeted his support for it, 2 days after he said he was to take a break from Twitter for a while. Dogecoin jumped to $0.05798 according to data on blockchain and cryptocurrency website CoinDesk. Musk first tweeted Doge and immediately followed it up with Dogecoin is the people's crypto. The Tesla chief's tweets about certain companies and cryptocurrencies have sent their prices soaring in recent weeks. Shares in GameStop, Etsy, and CD Projekt have jumped following comments on his Twitter account about them. In the crypto world, him putting a hashtag Bitcoin tag on his Twitter bio sent the most popular currency flying last Friday. He has since taken the tag off. Meanwhile, rival cryptocurrency Ethereum is also on a record-setting spree as investors buy it before the launch of Ethereum futures on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange next week. Ethereum rose to a record high of $1,698.56 before giving up some of those gains to trade 2.7% lower in early London. Cryptocurrencies are gaining traction with more mainstream investors. The euphoria boosted the total market value of all cryptocurrencies above $1 trillion for the first time earlier in January. This is all for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the future updates. See you till the next video, and thank you for watching.